As you can see, I have a lot of chickens. And with a lot of chickens comes a lot of responsibility. And the biggest responsibility is keeping them with fresh water, food, and making sure that they have a clean place to live. Before we get started on this video, I'd like to ask you to do a really big favor. A few friends of mine have got together and we have been sharing out each other's videos, and we've been getting some pretty good responses. So I'd like to ask you guys to share out this video, like, and to also leave a comment because I love hearing from you guys. But yes, if you share this video, I really would appreciate it. It looks like it does make a difference with the YouTube algorithm. So today's video, I'm going to concentrate on cleaning out our chicken coop. The weather has been getting much warmer and it's really starting to stink in here. Now we've been using the deep litter method in this coop. I've just been adding piles of hay and piles of wood chips on top to cover up a lot of the chicken manure. And now it's time to get all this hay and chicken manure out of the chicken coop. So I was having some problems getting the wood chips and hay out of the corner, so I went and grabbed my hoe. And this actually did make it a little bit easier getting some of that thicker stuff out of there in that tight space. When I first started this project, I actually started shoveling out the manure and the wood chips in buckets. And after the first load up the hill into my compost pile, I changed my mind. It's been really rainy and everything's been really muddy, so I just decided that I was going to sweep all this wood chips and hay and put it out here, a lot of it in the back, and I put some of it in the front to help absorb a lot of that water that had built up and maybe help it dry up faster. I also want to say thank you to Gail at Broken Hearts Ministry and for my newest member, Fractured Christian. Guys, thank you so much for joining my membership. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys don't know these channels, you really need to go check them out. All right, so there it is. It's all nice and clean. I've got all the wood chips and all the hay swept out. We left this carpet down because it at least gives us a barrier and hopefully will slow down any rot from the moisture from, all the chickens living in this old shed. But now I've got 2 bags of wood chips that I'm just going to go ahead and throw out on the floor. I ended up purchasing 8 bags of the pine shavings. 2 of them I've already put in my coop across the street with my Rhode Island Reds. And I'm just going to go ahead and add these 2. I have 2 more to put in here and then 2 more to put in my grow out chain link fence area. But I've got 4 chickens that I've got to move out of there, and then I've got to get that area cleaned out because I have a dozen little babies that will go in to that area to grow out here in the next couple of weeks. Alright guys, this is pretty much it, the end of the video, and I want to say thank you all for watching my channel. I really do appreciate you. Now all I have to do is add my water and my food back in here, and we are done. So again, thank you. You guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video.